Hey, this is Chad Portola. Thanks again for watching. What I've been doing is I created a whole bunch, about 20 different ultimate, basically, checklists, okay? A lot of people have been writing us support tickets and everything's asking us different kind of questions. So basically, I came up with 20 different categories, and today's one, this is the third video I'm making, is about email newsletter. And it's an email newsletter checklist, okay? And we call it the ultimate email newsletter checklist. And basically, like, what it's going to do is it's going to help you, okay, define your newsletter goals, your segment your audience, craft personalized content, design visually appealing templates, optimize for mobile devices, and analyze performance and metrics, okay? So basically, a lot of people, don't know where to start. So when people create checklists, it's basically to help you understand how to get the most out of what you're doing so you don't waste your time. So I've created 20 of these. Like I said, you can actually click below this link and you can actually download it for 100% free on our plrproductsforsale.com website. And we have actually the other ones on there. I'll show you here in a second. We'll actually have a link to in the description below that you can click on too, and you can download any of the 20, okay? So basically all you do is just click right here on add cart and then go through the process, put your best email so you can actually receive it from us. And then, like I said, if you want to look down here and see what it's more about, you can. Please share this on different social media networks. We're trying to get this out to as many people to help people because, like I said, a lot of people, even especially over the past couple of years, people have been asking these similar kind of questions, and even with AI coming out, there's just more and more questions. So obviously down the line, we'll make some more checklists even about different AI products and services that are out there to help you guys too. So basically, you'll click the link below this video and taken here. But like I said, you can actually, there's another link that you'll be able to click on. And if you can just go right here, I'm just going to open it. There's 20 different ones right here that you can see. So for some reason, if this isn't one that you are interested in right now, even though it should be because you want to learn how to market to your newsletter, but you can come over here too. And like I said, the link will be below in the, below, and you'll be able to click on that and come here and you'll see something that I'm sure that you'll like. Okay. So if you have any kind of questions ever, below this video, you can add some comments and I will get back to you as soon as possible. We're here to help. And like I said, I'm going to make another video that's going to show another one. Probably the next one will be the ultimate lead magnet creation checklist. So keep an eye out for that one. But again, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for being a subscriber. And if you're not a subscriber, make sure that you subscribe to this and share the video and allow other people to learn how to do different things with their online business. Okay. Thanks again. This is Chad Portola. Bye-bye.